grasshopper. Look at his horns.
Yeah, you see him? Ian, what is that?
A bug.
A bug?
It's a grasshopper, Ian.
What is it doing?
It's a bug.
Yeah, it's a bug? Say grasshopper.
I can say grasshopper.
Yeah, a grasshopper.
Look at his.
What is he doing?
May I get a picture of him?
No, I'm filming.
No, I want
Talk
to
to him.
film him.
Talk to him.
Say hi to me.
He did.
Hi. Hi. What's he doing?
He's sitting there looking at you.
Hi. Hi.
I'm gonna make him jump.
Make him jumping. And it's...
Touch him.
Touch him, Ian. Touch him.
Ian, can you touch him? Yeah.
Hi, grasshopper.
There he goes.
What is this?
Okay.
What is it?
Say bye-bye.